Welcome to Truba's video tutorials. In today's video, we're going to teach you how the main purchasing process works. Let's get started. So as you can see, in this cockpit, there's this diagram that shows how the purchasing process works. The process may start with a purchase request, which is basically a document issued by an area, a particular area of the company, in which it states it needs a certain amount of goods or items. Click clear. You can see the name of the requester, the user, and the name of the requester's name, posting, document dates and required dates, and the expiry date for this document. Now then, on this matrix, we simply look for or type in the item this area needs. In this case, created a test item. You can choose a preferred supplier as well. Again, complete with the required date. Quantity of this item, type in 10. Oops. There we go. The price, now because this item was created with the last purchase price functionality. Once we select that item, it will show you the last price this item was purchased from the supplier. The VAT code, whether this item is liable of VAT, and the amount due, total payment due. We click add. Oops, the required date, it's missing. A week from today. There we go. So now we have the purchase request created. Now, of course, this first step is not necessary, and the user may go directly to the purchase order, which is the official document, which will... Now, the purchase request is not a compulsory document, since it's a document that will only be used internally within the company. It's basically an area of the company requesting a certain amount of goods. Now, this purchase order is an official document that will be issued for the supplier outside of the company, so this purchase order is compulsory. Now, because we've already completed the information on the purchase request, we can bring that information onto this document. We just look for our supplier test, and we hit this grey button, copy from, and we choose the purchase request, last one we created. And as you see, it brought us all the information from the purchase request. Now then we simply click on add, and there we go. So that's the purchase order created. Now the next step is to create the goods receipt PO. This document is basically a confirmation that we've already received the goods. So again, we basically select the supplier, And again, the same functionality, copy from, we'll choose purchase orders, select the last one we created, and select here this last option, use current exchange rate from the exchange rate table and draw all data. Finish. And again, the exact same information will be brought from the purchase order. We hit add, yes, and that's our goods received created. The next step is to create the Apm Ap invoice. This is the name of the supplier again. And hit from the goods received. This is the last one created. It's the same options here. Finish. And as you see again, the exact same information is copied from one document to another. When you hit on add, oops, posting date is missing. It's there we go. Now we hit add. Now the last step is the outgoing payment. This document contains the means through which we will be paying our supplier. So basically, again, we have to bring the supplier, and you can see on this matrix we'll have the information of our total payments. We can select the payment we want to make. We can look at the amount due in foreign currency and local currency, and you can see there's this slightly blurry coin here. Click on here and we can select the payment means, whether it's going to be a check, a bank transfer, a credit card or cash. We'll do it by cash this time. On this field, where for the total due to pay, right click and select copy balance due, and then we'll go to our GL account, select which account will be related to this payment. Will be petty cash fridge, and we hit OK, and finally click on add. So that was our operation completed successfully. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time on Trooper's video tutorials. Goodbye.